SureFlow self-cleaning strainers. This is a 6-inch SureFlow self-cleaning strainer rated at 625 gallons per minute. We'd like to take a few minutes to show you how it works. Let's take off the screen to get a better view inside the strainer. By unfastening 6 nuts, the bottom outer cover lifts off and the screen can be removed. SureFlow offers self-cleaning strainers with capacities from 50 gallons per minute to 2,900 gallons per minute. The strainer is attached to the end of the suction line. Water is drawn through the screen, entering through these holes and traveling up to the pump. A small amount of pressurized water, generally less than 5%, is returned to the strainer and enters the feed pipe connection. Water travels down the feed pipe and out through the stationary nozzles. The nozzles spray against the inside of the screen, causing the strainer to rotate. Debris attracted to the screen is blown away when it passes the spray from the nozzles. The nozzle's spray both rotates the screen and removes debris. The strong, steady current from stationary nozzles carries the debris a long way from the strainer. SureFlow's rotating screen with stationary nozzles is the most effective way to shed debris and get it far away from the strainer. The hole pattern in the tube, with the smallest holes located near the end closest to the pump, controls intake flow. This design provides uniform through-screen velocity from the top of the screen to the bottom. When there is no control of intake flow, in other words, without an internal sleeve like this, the portion of the screen closest to the pump has a hot spot. This is where the rate of debris attraction is many times greater than on other areas of the screen. SureFlow's graduated holes inside this strainer have eliminated the hot spot. A very low, uniform through-screen velocity makes it easy to remove debris. SureFlow's self-cleaning strainers operate continuously when pumping. The strainer rotates on a set of wheel bearings. There are wheel bearings at the top of the rotating assembly, as well as at the bottom. The wheels and the wheel bushings are molded from Delrin plastic. Delrin has good wear characteristics, is abrasion resistant, and is very strong. The wheels at the top of the assembly ride on a wear ring, also made with Delrin. The bottom wheels ride on extremely long-wearing UHMW plastic. All of the strainer's hardware is stainless steel. Other parts are made from PVC or rugged high-density polyethylene. The standard screen is aluminum with a powder epoxy coating, and there are several other screen options available. The nozzles are made with a plastic that outlasts both brass and stainless steel. In response to applications with lower available pressures, SureFlow offers a dual drive option for its self-cleaning strainers. This is simply a second full set of nozzles located 180 degrees from the standard nozzles. By using additional backwash water, the dual drive model offers excellent cleaning action at reduced pressure, and the screen is cleaned every half revolution. It's easy to attach a SureFlow self-cleaning strainer to a variety of suction lines. If aluminum tubing is used for the suction line, slide the tubing inside the strainer's PVC neck and tighten the set screws provided in the strainer. When attaching the strainer to a PVC suction line, use a PVC slip coupler. Do not cement the strainer in the coupler. Instead, drill and tap threads in the coupling. Set screws or full thread bolts will hold the strainer in the coupling. Should you need to use a companion flange connection, again, drill and tap the slip portion of the flange. Mechanical attachment makes it much easier to remove and service the strainer. A SureFlow foot valve quickly attaches to a SureFlow self-cleaning strainer. An aluminum conversion tube is welded to the valve seat ring and slips into the strainer's main tube. Tighten the set screws that are provided and the strainer is attached. SureFlow foot valves with SureFlow self-cleaning strainers are an unbeatable combination of reliability and longevity. You'll always have a clean intake screen when you use a SureFlow self-cleaning strainer.